Good evening, boys and girls, and how's it going today? So, if you do see my legs or anything in this video, I'm not wearing socks again. So, yeah, because I know a few of you always point out, Luke, you got no socks. Why do you not wear socks? I just don't wear socks at times, right? I'm joking with you guys, I don't care if you take the piss. It's kind of funny, actually. Ignore this, because, like, yeah, I don't know what's going on in my mouth at the minute. I've got some sort of infection. I don't know what it is. It's horrendous. It's horrible. But moving on to the title of the video today, Fiesta's getting some light upgrades. So, I have got a awesome fog light video coming out soon from Auto Beam, so that will be in another video, but that won't be tonight. Tonight we're going to be installing rear LED strips for the number plate bulbs. Basically, it replaces the number plate bulbs. It's just strips now, and then we've got some headlight bulbs and all that as well to change as well. So the rear number plate bulbs is always from Auto Beam itself. I'll leave links in the description down below where you can get that. And then these headlight bulbs are just a sort of like white 4.5K bulbs. I don't know if they're going to make a huge difference. We'll soon find out in a bit. But they're not from Auto Beam, so don't judge headlight bulbs. But I know for a fact the rear number plate bulbs are going to be sick. So we're going to shoot off. I'm going to make some clips of what they look like beforehand. What the lights look like beforehand. And I'll do some clips installing them. And then it's really super easy to install. I've just got this, which is like a multi-tool. You're going to need like a flathead, and that's pretty much, I think all you need is a flathead. Super easy to install, but yeah, let's go ahead and do it now, and I'll be back with you guys in a minute. Let's go. Right lads, so this is the normal main beam, and then if we put dip beam on, that's what dip beam looks like at the minute. That's completely standard. So let's go check out the number plate bulbs as well. So this is the standard normal bulbs and the rear number plate bulbs. I'm going to go get some LED strips from Auto Beam, put these on now. Do the headlight bulbs as well. There's gonna be a massive difference, I can tell you that right now. Let's go ahead and crack on with today's video. I'll be back with you guys in a sec. Right, look, so let's start off with the rear number plate LED strip. So it comes in a little box like this. Don't worry about the address, because it's my work address. If you want to come to my work, you can come to my work, don't worry. And they are literally packaged really nicely like that from Auto Beam. They're really super easy to fit, like I'm going to show you in a minute. Hopefully they're exactly like my Fiesta Mark 7, my Mark 7.5. Obviously this is a pre-facelift, but should be about the same. I'm totally guessing anyway. So lads, let's crack on, get these fitted. I can't wait to see these, and then we can move on to the headlights and see how different they look. I've picked a pretty good spot as well to do this, even though there's not much lighting, but it's literally, there's like no one around me, so it's sick. Let's go. There you go lads. I'll even show you, look, no socks, not even ashamed. But quickly, I'm just going to show you, right, there's a big video coming up. We've got a cam belt, water pump cam belt, service kit, etc. in there. That's all being fitted tomorrow, so there's a video coming out on that soon. Gonna be sick. I'm not fitting it because I'm not that mechanically skilled yet. Also, I've got an Auto Finesse kit there as well. If you want to see a video on that, leave a comment down below and I'll try and get onto that. But for now, this is literally what I'm using. Me stand, Auto Beam. We've got me multi-scoped socket, whatever the fuck you want to call that. Like a, yeah, just, they're literally like, just like this. That's the strips, obviously. Hopefully these just, I don't know if they slide across to the left or the right, but I think you just get a flatted in underneath. There's a bit of shit there, and then they do come out. So yeah, let's crack on with that. Okay, so I'm not even gonna put this on the tripod for a minute, just because I wanna help you guys out like this. So I'm gonna pull out which flathead we're going for. Probably the smaller ones are better. So pull this out. Really handy little tool. What's it actually called? 8 screwdriver in one. Banging. I should have professional tools on me right now, like I should do at my work, but I apologise. So hopefully this should work really, really easily if I'm lucky. So yeah, that does sound like it just breaks something. I swear it just slides one way. I guess slides across like that. I'm trying to concentrate, lads, and do this at the same time. It's a freaking nightmare, but we are going to do it somehow. Right, hold on boys, 2 seconds. When I get this out, I'll bring it back. Okay boys and girls, so I got to this stage on this side. Look how much shit that's in there. Ridiculous. Obviously I haven't taken out for ages. If it sounds like it's going to break something, if it sounds like it's snapping and shit like that, just carry on, because let's be honest, 1, you're not going to need these again, and 2, I think that's just the way it's going to come out, because everything you take out of Fords these days sounds like it's going to break. So, and this is where you get to the tricky bit. You see, like up there's like a little metal clip. This bit you got to try and pull back and then pull down at the same time, which is like literally impossible whilst trying to do one-handed, lads. So I'm going to come off the camera again, and then once it's out, I will continue with the video. Right, That was a fucking nightmare. You're gonna need about 20 hands, lads, to get this one out. Now I'm joking, but it is a bit of a nightmare. This is the clip I'm on about. This is a right little bastard. It just slipped. It just sits up there. He's just chilling. He's just having a good time, really. Basically, the bit you're taking off is just this bit here. I'm gonna take this off now and show you guys. Actually, hopefully I can do this with one hand, because if I can't, then I'm gonna cry. Yeah, it just spins and comes out. All that bulb looks lovely anyway. So yeah, that is that. This one can just right, so you might have to be a bit more careful with these, because they've got the clips, but they are plastic. So I'm going to unravel these and then install them, and then yeah. So if we take this bulb out quickly, if I can do this one-handed, which I know I'm not going to be able to, because anything one-handed is a right nightmare, right? Okay, out, sorted, bulb. See you later to that one. As you can see, it's got the normal connector that literally goes in like a normal bulb would. So hopefully I'm going to put this in the right way around, because if I don't, I'm going to cry. And yeah, we just don't need that tonight, because I just don't want no hassle on a Tuesday night, lads. So basically it goes in there. I can't do this one-handed, lads. I'm struggling, because I'm just struggling. So I'm going to get it in. I'm just going to pop it back up there. It will just go in there at easy with clips, and I can show you guys what's it like afterwards. So I'm going to do both of them, so I'm probably not going to record that one as well. So yeah, the next time you're going to see this, it's going to be attached back up in there, and they're going to be on and looking sick. So yeah, stay tuned. So there we go, the finished product looks 10 times better. Obviously these plates are shit. I got my new L19 BOU plates on the way soon, and it's filthy at the minute, but the lights just look mad. Obviously ignore this door, just go away. But look how sick they look, like the brightness on the floor makes the car look absolutely mad. So yeah, that's that bit done. Let's go ahead now and move on to the headlights, get them out there really easy, and then put the headlight bulbs in. Hopefully that'll make a difference as well. I hope, fingers crossed. Okay, so let's move on to the headlights now. So obviously you've got this screw up here, this screw down here, and you've got a little popper there as well, which yeah, you will have to take off. We'll have one on each side. So I'm not going to show me undoing them. I'm going to undo them, and then I'm going to show you how easy it is to get the light out. It may sound like it's going to break something, or obviously, and you need to remove that bit. Obviously the power supply right there, which is simple enough to come off as well. So I'm going to crack on and do that. Once it's out, we can put the new bulbs in, etc. Right, so we've encountered a problem. These bolts don't even come out. Like, they do come out, but I'm not even risking breaking fucking this tool I've got here, because I don't even think it's strong enough to get these bolts out. I've never had bolts in of this type before. Obviously, I don't know what the fuck these guys have done, but they've completely screwed it, putting these bolts in. So we just can't do this today, lads. I'm gonna upload this video anyway, but I'll show you how good these lights are in the next video when I do the auto beam fog lights. But for now, it's pissed me off because I wanted to do that tonight, but it's one thing I can't do now. So yeah, that's that done. I'm gonna head back into the car, just being pissed off. Yeah. Every time, like, I'm just trying to record at the minute and just something just goes wrong. Why? Like, literally every time. At least we got the numplate bulbs done, but I ain't even got a numplate on at the minute, so it just looks shit. Yeah, but anyway, lads, I'm gonna bring this video out to you just as like a fuck up, I guess, but oh well. Hopefully, obviously, I've got these fog lights from Autobeam down here as well, which are cool colour changing ones. I'm gonna put them up in a video, then I can show you the headlights whenever I get round to it. But yeah, lads, sick. I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you comment down below if you want to see anything new. Comment down below if you've enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you're new as well. Hit this bell button to be notified every single time I upload. I'm trying to talk really fast, but I can't. I'm shit at talking fast, and especially with this thing growing on my face, I don't know what the fuck is going on. But yeah, subscribe to my channel if you're new. Check out my social media in the description down below. And if you want to buy any products from Autobeam, I'll leave that link in the description down below as well, guys. So thanks for watching. Love you all as always. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my my words been my greatest weapon. I know